Oh, I got him.
Yeah, that indigo bunting is actually teed up right on top of
Yeah,
that.
about 3/4 of the way up this tree, sitting right out. This is just something that was inside of Ethan. His first experience birding was at a great park.
You can hear indigo bunting, field sparrow, common yellowthroat. So once you learn the songs, it gets a lot easier. Kroger Hills is unique. You got Little Miami River, you got this unique field prairie habitat.
And add to that, it's very accessible.
It's always something new, and the fact that I can go out so close to my home and experience that is more than enough to, get me out of bed, just get outside.
Most days.
Most days.
Kroger Hills is a little oasis.